This is how to do an oil change on a 2000 4.6 liter Triton V8 F150. So you don't have to jack it up. I just did because for video purposes. So first thing you want to do is take off the oil cap here for airflow purposes. Okay, make sure your parking brake is on and you got the wheel chocks. So you need 6 quarts of 5W30, a oil filter. This is the Motorcraft one, a 16 millimeter socket with a breaker bar or just a ratchet, and a oil pan. Gonna want to crack the drain plug. It's on the passenger side of the oil can. Okay, and now we're gonna get the oil filter out. It's kind of in a rough area in this driver's side above. If you have 4-wheel drive, it's right above the diff. It's been about 5 minutes. You're gonna want to oil up this oil filter here on the gasket, that way it doesn't stick.
Now just a little hand tight, but pretty tight with your hands. Do not leave this loose.
Now go ahead and spray off your drain plug. And put a new gasket on it if you need one. Now go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. This is going to be 20 foot-pounds. Okay, there we go. And clean up any area that you got oil on here. Go ahead and put in 6 quarts of oil, nice and slow. After that, I like to turn the engine on and check for leaks down here. And if you don't see any, you're good to go.